In today's video, I will be talking about the Cash App Metal Card and a few things you may want to know before deciding to order one. Now, Cash App gives you the option to order a few debit cards for everyday spending, and it also offers several upgraded designs, including glow-in-the-dark and metal versions that come with an additional cost. While the metal card has a premium appearance and a heavier, more durable feel, it functions the same way as the standard Cash App card for everyday purchases, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. Now, the upgraded design does not unlock additional banking features or provide special rewards that are not already available with the standard card. One thing to keep in mind is that your Cash App card is tied directly to your account. So if your account is ever restricted or closed, any card linked to it, including the metal version, will no longer be usable. Because of that, it is worth understanding how your account works before paying extra for a custom card design. Before ordering, consider whether the premium look is worth the additional cost. If your main goal is simply to make purchases or access your Cash App balance, then for many users, the free standard card provides all the same core features needed for everyday spending. The metal card is mainly a cosmetic upgrade for those who prefer a more premium design. However, at the end of the day, the choice depends on your personal preference and budget. If you like the unique appearance and don't mind paying the extra fee, the metal card may be a good option. However, if you're only looking for the features and functionality, the standard Cash App card provides the same everyday experience for managing your Cash App balance. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.